Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel MD Learnings. So today I am going to show you how to use conditional formatting in Excel. So let's start the learning. Conditional formatting is used to highlight some data and make it easier to visually explore and analyze. So I have a set of data with me, which is a data of month versus sale of a company. So in this, using conditional formatting, we will highlight one or cells when specific condition or rule are met. So as an example, I will use conditional formatting in this data. So what I have to do, so we can use conditional formatting for the columns where the cell contain a number which is red and we have to highlight it using a red color, and criteria will be the numbers which are less than 50. So what I will do, I will just select this data. Okay, so I will go to the conditional formatting. I have this option of highlighting cell rules. In this we have to select less than, I need less than 50. So you can see the color changes from white to red of all the numbers which are less than 50. So similarly, like if I want less than 40, so you can get these numbers are less than 40. So you can change the color also. If you want red text, so you can select red text. If you want light red fill, so whatever option you want, you can. If you want a custom format as per your requirement, then that also you can do. So this is how we are going to use conditional formatting in this data. When we are doing cell formatting, we can change the font, we can change the color of the font, we can fill the any cell with the different colors, we can change the border color, border style, anything we can do. But in conditional formatting, we cannot apply any format option to the row height, like we can't change height of the row, width of the column. So for example, we can take like we can't apply formatting to change any of the things like font family, font size, and border thickness. These things, we can't use any conditional formatting to change any of these things. So now I will show you one more rule which we can use in conditional formatting so that you can understand it easily. So I will show you highlighting with top 10 rule. So I have one data with me, which is 12 month of sales amount for four different reasons. At the right, there is a total for each month, and I can take total for each region in the bottom of the row. Okay, so what I will do is I will take the top 10 sales. I will highlight the top 10 sales uh, in which sales value is more. Okay, so what I will do, I will just select the data and I will go to the conditional formatting. I will go to this rule in which it is top slash bottom rules. So in this I will select top 10 items. Okay, so in this, what are the top 10 values, it will get selected. It will get the color will change with red. Whatever values are there, which is top 10, so that will get highlighted with the red color. Okay, so same thing, if you want to do a custom format, you want to use a custom format, so we can change the font, or we can change the border, of the same, like I can highlight it with the bold. So whosever values are in the top 10, that will get highlighted and it will get bold. Okay, so like this, we have different options of conditional formattings. We can use it like a top 10 percentage is there, and bottom 10 items, like num values which are in the having the lowest value. Okay, so bottom 10 percentage also we can use. So many rules are there. If you can try, and you will get to know. You can try these all the options and the rules, whatever is there, then you will know how to use it. I have already given you the one example of this less than, and one example of this top 10 items. So if any doubt, you can just drop a message in comment, and hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.